Hello everyone, it is Gifted Soul again, and I am back with another Oracle card deck review. This is an unboxing. I have never worked with this deck. I've seen reviews on YouTube, and that's what made me purchase it. I usually get my decks from eBay, but I think I got this one from eBay too. I'm thinking about another deck I'm supposed to have in. So yeah, this one is from eBay. So let's get to it. It is Mystical Wisdom by Gaye Guthrie, and the artwork is Josephine Wall. It's unopened. So I'm just taking the plastic off here. That's always the hardest part. So again, Mystical Wisdom by Gaye Guthrie. Artwork, Josephine Wall. I am going to be doing a full flip through, so if you do not want to see all of the cards, please skip over this video a little bit. So we have a beautiful guidebook. It's a fair amount of pages and information. Looks like it's not thick or thin. It's you know, you can throw it in your purse and take it with you. And okay, so I forgot that when I was watching the other reviews that the cards are also wrapped in plastic. Okay, so the box does not say how many cards are in here. So what I'll do is I'll look at the table of contents to find that. And it's 46 cards. Or 55, I believe. 55. So these are in plastic, so bear with me as I try to get that off. I've been breaking. I normally have natural long nails, but they've been breaking lately, so it's kind of hard to get this open. I'm used to the cards already being, you know, not being wrapped, just the box, so. Okay, I think we got it. So the TV is going on. My niece is here, spending the night again. Okay, so here we have the cards. They are paper. It's very hard to describe the texture to me, but they are durable cards, I think. Okay, so first I wanted to get to the the box. So this is the outside of the box on the front. And then on the inside, it's just plain white. On the back of the box, it says Mystical Wisdom Card Deck, featuring the enchanted artwork of Josephine Wall. The mystical wisdom deck provides guidance for the present and inspiration for the future. Archangels, goddesses, spirit animals, fairies, and wonderful mystical creatures deliver uplifting messages and gentle encouragement to help you get past all of life's challenges and get back to joy. The mystical wisdom deck includes 46 cards with the 64-page illustrated booklet full of hope and wisdom. So, okay, there it is, 46 cards. So, let's get to them. So, here are the backs of them. It's purple, like pastel colors, and then there's gold in the middle. Very pretty. So this is my first look again, and I have not worked with these yet, but after I get done with this, I'm going to break them in, meditate, and get a feel for the cards and just see what they're all about. So let's get into the cards. Again, I'm going to be doing a full flip through, so if you do not want to see all of the cards, please skip over this video. Okay. Vacation. Take time for relaxation and adventure. These cards are very vibrant in color, and I hope that the camera is picking up on that. Unicorn invites serendipity. The images is what attracted me to these cards. 7 heavenly virtues, keys to goodness. Seven deadly sins, humanity's destructive traits. So usually I get into the guidebook at the beginning of the videos, but I kind of skipped over that by accident, so I will be doing that at the last part of the video. Sensuality, express your sensuality. Very simple messages and pretty pictures. Self-reliance, don't be afraid to fly solo. Resilience, rise above tribulations. Potential, think big for your future. Peacock, raise your standards. So this here is the image that is on the box as well. So that would be the Peacock card. The guidebook has a different image than the box. Originality, blaze your own trail. Vacation, take time for relaxation and adventure. Adventure. And I think I showed that card. Okay. Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay. Unicorn invites serendipity. Potential. Think big for your future. Money. Find a way to abundance. Memories. Cherish memories of loved ones. Letting go. Learn to let go. Legends. Learn from those who inspire you. Leadership. Set your goals. Knowledge. Seek knowledge. Intuition. Trust your intuition. Illusion. Embrace the truth. Gratitude. Be grateful for all you have. Good fortune. Invite magic in. Go with the flow. Let things happen. Friendship. Nurture your relationships. Face your fears. Release the power of fear. Epiphany. Seek clarity. At the end, I'm going to draw a general card for everyone, since it's my first time working with the deck. Enlightenment. Pursue spiritual growth. Dreams. Believe in your dreams. I actually had this image on a service that I have on my website, and I didn't know that it was on a card until I looked at some reviews of this deck. I think it's the one about my service, my dream interpretation service, and this image happens to be up there, and I didn't know it was a part of a card deck. Dragonfly. Live life to the fullest. These are pretty images. Dragon. Discover your courage. I don't think you're really going to need the guidebook for this. Dove. Take a leap of faith. Dolphin. Don't worry, be happy. Creative wonderment. Follow your passion. Confrontation. Pick your battles wisely. So again, the artwork is by Josephine Wall. Competition. Summon courage and self-confidence. Choices. Make the best choices. Children. Know that your children are protected. Cheer up. Live in the moment. Celebration. Let go and have fun. Battle of the Blues. Take steps toward positive change. Animal bond. Stand up for all animals. Angel of miracles. Open your heart and expect a miracle. Archangel Raphael. Provider of healing for mind, body, and spirit. And the last card here is Archangel Gabriel. messenger of creativity and hope. So those are the cards, and let me show you the backs of the cards because I don't think I got that in a good image at the beginning. So here are the backs. And now I'm going to get into the guidebook. So the guidebook is 63 pages. 2 of the pages are for notes, and 2 are also about the creator of the cards, Gaye Guthrie, and then about Josephine, the illustrator. So there's the front of the guidebook, and then we have the back, which matches the back of the cards, and then table of contents, how to use mystical wisdom cards, and then after that there's 1 page on that, and then the cards go straight into, the book goes straight into the meanings. And then you have the card itself, the keyword that's on the card, and then further meaning for the cards. So that is the guidebook, which I don't think that I will be needing it. Okay. So now I'm going to shuffle and then do a 1 card draw for you all. This is my first time working with this deck. So money, find a way to abundance. This is the card for everyone. Abundance seems to be the key word here lately. And what that means is that good things are coming. And in this case, it'll be financial gain and solutions for money. And if you're encountering financial difficulties, know that there are always people around to help, and things will get better. So, and also in the guidebooks there is an affirmation at the bottom of the card, the card's further meaning for you to say. So that was my review of Mystical Wisdom by Gaye Guthrie. Artwork, Josephine Wall. And look in the description to find out about how to book a reading with me and what to expect on my channel. I will be back with another unboxing probably tomorrow, or sometime soon. And please subscribe, like, comment if there's decks that you don't see on a page that maybe I have on hand and could review, or that I can look into purchasing. So give me any suggestions that you have, and I see you guys on another one, and I wish you love, light, and many blessings, and I thank you for watching.